and today I will discuss the basic difference between gene and allele, the most confusing terms in genetics. So what they are actually, if we saw that this is our chromosome after condensation in metaphase condition, we have a chromosome. If we take little bit part of chromosome, and each part of chromosome is made up of DNA and protein, we well known about that. This chromosome definitely will have DNA. This is chromosome, and each chromosome has DNA. Definitely protein is also present in it, but I am only discussing the DNA. The specific fragment of any DNA that controls specific characters. Let's suppose this is the small fragment. Any fragment, that is also the double strand. Little fragment of DNA that controls a specific character, like eye color, like skin color, like your blood group system. Any trait being controlled by different kinds of gene in our chromatin or chromosome. This fragment of DNA is called gene. So what is gene? Gene actually fragment of DNA that control a specific character. Is called gene. There are many definitions as genetics proceeds. Some people said that it is very short length, it has very big length. There are many theories on gene, but I am only discussing the basic of gene. And then what are alleles? Alleles. We see that this is chromosome before replication from mother, and this chromosome from father. Each carry gene on locus. This gene is being mentioned is capital A, and this small a. Let's suppose this is the gene for height, tall height, and when an individual or plant or any individual has this, it has tall height. This is capital A and this is the small a. If capital A is present, it is completely dominant over small a. Then what are actually alleles? Alleles are alternate form of a gene. Locus has same, but form is different. Let's suppose I am writing variant of a gene that arise due to mutation. These mutation 1, 2 or in hundreds, but always keep in mind, if a gene has too many mutations and this has too many copies, like in case of blood group IA, IB and small I, but at a time only 2 copies of these alleles present in an individual. Not all alleles will be present in a specific individual. Only 2 alleles from all alleles from a gene are present in an individual. Let's suppose for blood group AB, individual has this genotype. For blood group A, there are 2 possibilities. Both can be homozygous, and it may be heterozygous depending upon the condition of parent. That's why alleles are actually the form of a genes that arise due to mutations in a population. And if we study these alleles, at a time only 2 alleles for a specific characters are present in a specific individual. So this is the brief comparison between gene and allele. Gene are fragment of DNA and it controls specific character, and the form of DNA, form of gene that we inherited from both parents, either father and mother, and when they combine and characters appears, that are called alleles. And one gene can has many alleles, but at a time only 2 alleles will be present in a specific individual. Thank you.